I've created the largest domino in the world, where each piece towers over standard skyscrapers. This grand project is not only impressive in its dimensions, but also in its engineering excellence, which transforms the perspective of a typical domino game into something far more grand and awe-inspiring. Each piece in this domino set stands about 800 meters tall, roughly twice the height of the Empire State Building. The width and depth of each piece are 300 meters, making them almost as massive as large sports arenas. The total weight of each piece reaches approximately 2.5 million tons, which is equivalent to the weight of about 500 Titanics. If all the pieces were placed end to end, they could wrap around our planet, forming a ring that would diametrically cross the Earth. This not only highlights the incredible scale and grandeur of the project, but also underscores its global impact, transforming a simple game of dominoes into a monumental engineering spectacle. To understand the scale of each piece, imagine that one piece could serve as housing for thousands of people, functioning like a real mini-city. The material used to make the pieces is an ultra-strong polymer, capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions and ensuring durability for many decades. As massive as this domino set is, it is equally dangerous. When the domino pieces begin to fall along the Earth's equator, they will trigger a series of powerful earthquakes. The energy released from the falling pieces could affect tectonic plates. Theoretically, this could lead to changes in the planet's geological activity, including increased volcanic activity and changes in ocean currents, which could potentially have a dramatic impact on the climate and natural habitats. Now tell me, if you were given the opportunity to add one element to our giant game of dominoes, what would it be and why? Also, how much effort do you think would be needed to push this first piece of our enormous domino? Share your thoughts in the comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. It motivates us to continue creating videos for you.